How to activate Gboard on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Google's Gboard keyboard on your iPhone. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. First, open the App Store and search for Gboard. Download and install the app on your iPhone. Next, open the Settings app, then tap General. Now, select Keyboard, then tap Keyboards. And select Gboard from the list. After adding it, tap Gboard again and turn on Allow Full Access. If a confirmation appears, tap Allow. Now, open any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes. Tap the text field to bring up the keyboard. Tap and hold the globe icon at the bottom left corner, then select Gboard. Your iPhone will now use Gboard for typing. And that's it. This is how you can activate Gboard on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.